Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
In this lecture, we will implement a remove from cart feature to dynamically update the shopping cart state. You'll learn how to manipulate recoil items with useSetRecoilState to handle removal logic efficiently. Using useSetRecoilState, we'll be filtering an item's state to exclude the removed item, and we'll also learn how to identify items uniquely using the ID or index. So over here, the first thing that we need to do is go to our cart.js file, and in this particular file, we'll be making use of useSetRecoilState, and we'll be initializing it with itemsInCart to begin with. So here, just like we have useRecoil value, we'll also have a constant setup which will have set itemsInCart, useSetRecoilState, and will pass itemsInCart. Now obviously useSetRecoilState is not part of this file as of now. So what we'll do is we will include it in our import statement first. Once that's done, we'll make use of the set itemsInCart now. And to do that, we'll be introducing a new method. So here we'll be creating a function to remove an item from the cart. We'll name it as remove from cart, and it is going to accept parameter ID. And then over here, we'll make use of set itemsInCart. Now what it is doing over here is it's trying to filter the item where the ID is not matching. So it's going to exclude the item that needs to be removed, and then it is going to return the updated state of cart items. And here we'll be printing a console message, item with ID removed from the cart. Now obviously we need to put it somewhere so that this particular thing can have that value. Just like how in our product list.js file, we had this add to cart function. Similarly, over here in our cart.js, we'll have to introduce this remove from cart function. So we'll have this button included in the li itself. So over here, we have the button on clicked, remove from cart. And here we have the item.id, which we are passing as parameter to this remove from cart method. And the button remove will be there. So user will click on this button and the item will be removed from the cart collection. Now let's state this. And over here, let's go ahead and run it. So we'll say empty and spark. Now over here, initially the page looks like this. We have the product collection and then we have an empty shopping cart. Over here, let's go ahead and add apple, banana, and cherry. And then you can see for every item in the cart, we have the remove button along with the name of the product and the price of the product. So let's go ahead and try removing banana over here and also open up our console. So here on our console, we can just click on remove, and here you can see that it says item with ID 2 removed from the cart, and you see the updated shopping cart over here. Similarly, I can go ahead and remove apple as well from here, and then you can see item with ID 1 removed from the cart. So now just quickly recap what we have done. We have introduced a function called remove from cart, which uses the array filter method to create a new array without the item that matches the given item. It then updates the item state using set itemsInCart. And then we are rendering the updated cart. Over here, there are some edge cases. If we remove all the items from the cart, it is going to display your cart as empty. And removing one item at a time by ID ensures only the selected item is removed, even if there are duplicate product names. So here, only one item is remaining. Let's go ahead and remove this as well. And it says item with ID 3 removed from the cart. And you can see that it goes back to its initial state. Your cart is empty. Now in the next one, we'll be learning about recoil selectors and derived state.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.